नमस्कार, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे YouTube चैनल डिवाइन गाइडेंस बाय डॉक्टर मनीषा शर्मा। हर हर महादेव। महादेव आज चाहते हैं कि मैं आप सभी से बात करूं, अपनी YouTube सोल फैमिली से ये बात करूं कि व्हाट्स द ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ लविंग योरसेल्फ। क्या सही मायने में कहा मान्यता है कि अपने आप को प्यार करना किसे कहते हैं। क्योंकि आजकल की दुनिया में इंस्टा ट्रेंडिंग ज़माने में एजेंसी की क्रिएटिव माइंडसेट टीम ने जो हमारे माइंडसेट में बिठा दिया है कि अपने आप को प्यार करने का मतलब है स्पेंडिंग लॉन्ग आवर्स इन पार्लर्स, चाहे वो वीकली हो, चाहे वो 15 डेज के बाद हो, चाहे वो मंथली हो। फैशनिस्ता भरी ज़िंदगी में जो हमारी फैशन इंडस्ट्री है उसने हमें ये सिखा दिया है बाइंग लेटेस्ट क्लोथ्स एंड मेकिंग रील्स ऑन इट मीन्स दैट यू लव योर सेल्फ। टाइम टू टाइम लेटेस्ट कपड़े खरीदना आजकल ये मायने रख रहा है कि इट्स अबाउट लविंग योर सेल्फ, दैट यू लव योर सेल्फ, दैट्स वाई यू बाइंग लेटेस्ट क्लोथ एंड यू बाइंग सो मेनी थिंग्स। और आजकल जो स्किन केयर रूटीन्स चले हैं लॉन्ग लॉन्ग आवर्स के, उन्होंने हमें ये बताया है कि फॉलोइंग अ लॉन्ग 10 स्टेप स्किन केयर रूटीन, नाइट रिजीम, मॉर्निंग रिजीम मीन्स इफ you're following it, that means you love yourself, right? But it's actually not at all true. It's actually not at all true. I'm repeating this because I really want to give you an example जिससे कि आपको अच्छे से पता चलेगा। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने एक बहुत प्यारी सी पावरफुल बड़ी एसयूवी गाड़ी ली है, लग्जरियस एक्सपेंसिव कार, आप उसको घर लेकर आते हैं एंड द मोमेंट यू ब्रिंग दैट कार होम, तभी से आपको टाइम टू टाइम आपको किसी को रखना पड़ेगा गाड़ी साफ करने के लिए, या फिर आप उसे एजेंसी में भेजेंगे उसकी क्लीनिंग के लिए, या आप खुद से साफ करेंगे। गाड़ी को वॉशिंग की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, टाइम टू टाइम वॉश करना, उसमें डीजल या पेट्रोल डलवाना, उसकी अगर कुछ भी डेंट वगैरह पड़ा है या स्क्रैच पड़ गया उसका टेक केयर करना, अगर कूलेंट ख़त्म हो गया तो कूलेंट डलेगा, टायर में हवा कितनी है, एवरी सिंगल थिंग, एवरी सिंगल थिंग। तो जब गाड़ी इतनी सारी चीज़ें डिमांड कर रही है, डिमांड इन द सेंस इट इज़ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट व्हीकल so that that vehicle takes care of you and makes your journey easy travel, easy journey, comfortable journey, smooth journey. In the same way, true meaning of loving yourself means when you take care of yourself without being involved materialistically. जब आप खुद के साथ समय बिताते हैं होल हार्टेडली, कंप्लीटली बीइंग विद योर सेल्फ, जब आपके दिमाग में किसी भी तरह का कोई थॉट प्रोसेस ना तो फ्यूचर का होता है ना पास्ट का होता है, कोई भी इमोशन किसी भी तरह का जब आप एंटरटेन नहीं करते हैं किसी और के बारे में और खुद के बारे में भी। True meaning of loving yourself, when you're sitting with yourself all alone listening to your innermost voice, that most beautiful innermost voice of divine. Yeah, when you appreciate the creation of God, that's you, that how beautiful God has made you. When the attitude of gratitude comes from within, when you start appreciating the divine for giving you a beautiful body, mind, and soul, a balanced, healthy mind. Wow. When you start paying gratitude to the divine itself, that's the real meaning of loving yourself. Again, being confident about yourself, the way you express yourself, the way you express your emotions, आप किस तरह से अपनी बात रखते हैं, इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ कौन आपको क्या कह रहा है क्या नहीं कह रहा है, या फिर वो क्या चाहते हैं आप क्या कहें, लेकिन आप अपनी बात पे टिके रहते हैं एंड द वे यू एक्सप्रेस इट, दैट्स द ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ लविंग योरसेल्फ. It's not about getting manipulated by the latest trends, by others' thought process, by others' belief system, by society's set standards. It's about being comfortable in your own skin your own belief system. It's about the way you carry yourself, and especially all these things: your confidence, your belief system, your goals, your aims, why you want a particular thing, your own logic system. That's the true meaning of loving yourself. Being sure of yourself. That's the true meaning of loving yourself. Loving your own energy, vibrating on a higher level. That's the true meaning of loving yourself. Sweetheart, it's not about running behind trends. It's not about spending long hours in parlors. It's not about following a long skincare routine or a regime or a diet plan. It's not. That's called grooming. That's called taking care of yourself. And taking care of yourself is your responsibility. It's not about being loving yourself. Every single individual, that person who has taken birth on this beautiful planet, it's his or her responsibility to take care of themselves. It's very nice if you take care of your skin, you time to time apply, hair mask, face mask, do the basic grooming, everything. That's really nice, but that's the part of grooming, my dear. To love yourself, you need to be with yourself. You need to sit with yourself. If you're feeling like going on a date with yourself, go. Grab a cup of coffee, slush, or tea, or whatever you like. That's called me time. But true meaning of loving yourself, when that cup, that slush, that tea, that mug of coffee gets finished and you just sit with yourself wholeheartedly without anything in your mind, without entertaining any kind of emotions of anyone, even of your own self, is called true meaning of loving yourself. When you just enjoying the bliss of being with yourself, with every single second you tell the divine, thank you for making me. When you just want to be you, not anyone else, that's the true meaning of loving yourself. When you don't feel any kind of competition with anyone, when you just want to improve yourself, when you have a progressive mindset, when you have lot of positivity, when you are vibrating higher and higher and higher, that's the true meaning of loving yourself. Yes, it's correct. सो इस भागती दौड़ती दुनिया में जो सोसाइटी के सेट स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं, या जो एडवर्टीजमेंट एजेंसी हमें दिखा रही है, या जो ये सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स दिखा रहे हैं, दैट्स नॉट ट्रू मीनिंग ऑफ लव, माय डियर. Please be clear, don't confuse yourself. If you really want to progress, if you really want to meet your divine, if you really want to listen to his voice, just be true to yourself. Being true to yourself is also means loving yourself. Just be true to yourself and you will experience the bliss, miracles, every single day, every single second. Like, oh my god, that's the real magic of loving yourself wholeheartedly. when you know when and how to detach yourself, not through your mind, not by giving a signal again again that you have to draw and maintain a line, you have to stay detached. No, when it happens automatically, that's the byproduct of loving yourself. When you have every single thing, when you have all the comforts and luxuries, but when you connect with yourself, what you feel at that time, and you know its importance, when you know, when you experience that deeper bliss which cannot be attained through these luxurious items, materialistic items, through this trending stuff. Yeah, that's the true meaning of love. Do everything whatever you want to, but make sure you love yourself truly. Don't confuse yourself with grooming and being a responsible citizen, being responsible towards yourself. These are all different things. So Mahadev really wanted me to today tell you all the real meaning of, true real meaning of loving yourself. So that's it for today, and please like this video so that you can claim the divinity, divine energy of this video by liking it. Lots of love and lots of blessings straight from Mahadev. Har Har Mahadev. Thank you so much. I love you.